Who won the Booker Prize 2025 for the novel Flash? Right answer is option B, David Saleh. The Got India Tour 2025 was associated with the visit of which football legend? Right answer is option B, Lionel Messi. Who was appointed as the Director General of the Sashastra Seema Bal in July 2025? Right answer is option C, Sanjay Singhal. According to the National Annual Report and Index 2025, which city is the safest city for women in India? Right answer is option A, Kohima, Nagaland. Which state hosted the 38th National Games from January 28 to February 14, 2025? Right answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Who was appointed as the 66th Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India in September 2025? Right answer is option B, Sirish Chandra Murmu. By how many runs did India defeat South Africa to win its first Women's Cricket World Cup title? Right answer is option C, 52 runs. Which tiger reserve has become the second largest tiger reserve in India in August 2025? Right answer is option D, Sundarbans Tiger Reserve. Which became the first state to implement the Uniform Civil Code after India's independence? Right answer is option B, Uttarakhand. According to the Air Quality Life Index 2025 report, what is India's rank among the most polluted countries in the world? Right answer is option B, second rank. Who was sworn in as the 15th Vice President of India on September 12, 2025? Right answer is option C, CP Radhakrishnan. Which country did India defeat 4-1 in the final to win the 2025 Men's Hockey Asia Cup? Right answer is option D, South Korea. Who became the second Indian citizen to travel to space in June 2025 after Rakesh Sharma? Right answer is option D, Subhanshu Shukla. Who has been appointed as the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option D, Justice Suryakant. For how many consecutive years has Indore been declared India's cleanest city in Swachh Sarvekshan 2025? Right answer is option C, 8 years. On which train was India's first ever onboard train ATM installed? Right answer is option D, Panchvati Express. Who has been awarded FIFA Peace Prize at the 2026 World Cup draw? Right answer is option B, Donald Trump. Who became the first Indian woman to win the FIDE Women's World Cup? Right answer is option B, Divya Deshmukh. India aims to achieve a defense production target of 3 lakh crore by which year? Right answer is option C, 2029. Who was appointed as the 11th chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization in January 2025? Right answer is option D, Dr. V. Narayanan. How many players were honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Right answer is option B, 4 players. Who was appointed as a Director General of the Central Reserve Police Force until November 30, 2027? Right answer is option D, Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Where was the first edition of the Khelo India Water Sports Festival held in August 2025? Right answer is option B, Dal Lake, Srinagar. Who was appointed as the first woman Director General of the Railway Protection Force in July 2025? Right answer is option C, Sonali Misra. Which country did India defeat to win the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 title? Right answer is option D, New Zealand. Where was India's first AI powered gold melting ATM launched in May 2025? Right answer is option B, Hyderabad. Who has been appointed as the Chief of Research and Analysis Wing in June 2025? Right answer is option C, Parag Jain. Simlipal Tiger Reserve became the 107th National Park of India. It is located in which state? Right answer is option B, Odisha. Who became the first Indian to receive the Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Right answer is option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. Which district became India's first fully solar powered district in May 2025? Right answer is option B, Diu. Who has been awarded the 59th Gyanpith Award for 2024 for his contribution to Hindi literature? Right answer is option C, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Who was appointed as the 11th Chairman of Securities and Exchange Board of India in February 2025? Right answer is option D, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Which state topped Niti Aayog's Fiscal Health Index 2025 ranking? Right answer is option C, Odisha. India's first Vistadome jungle safari train was launched in which state in May 2025? Right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Which city was declared as the leopard capital of India on June 5, 2025? Right answer is option A, Bengaluru. Who was honored with the Youth Icon Award at the inaugural Ramoji Excellence Awards in November 2025? Right answer is option C, Srikanth Bola. Which South Asian country became the first to join the United Nations Water Convention in 2025? Right answer is option D, Bangladesh. Which country hosted the G20 summit in 2025? Right answer is option C, South Africa. Who was appointed as the new chairman of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India in July 2025? Right answer is option B, Ajay Seth. On 15th August 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi delivered India's longest ever Independence Day speech. How long did it last? Right answer is option C, 103 minutes. Where was the Prachand Shakti exercise conducted by the Indian Army in July 2025? Right answer is option D, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Who was appointed as the new chairman of the Union Public Service Commission in May 2025? Right answer is option C, Ajay Kumar. According to the Vulture Census 2025, which state has recorded the highest population of vultures in India? Right answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Where was the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention held in January 2025? Right answer is option A, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Who was appointed as the new chairperson of the National Medical Commission in July 2025? Right answer is option B, Dr. Abhijat Seth. Which country declared 2026 as the dual year of culture, tourism, and artificial intelligence in partnership with India? Right answer is option C, Spain. Which are the first two Indian cities to be recognized as wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention? Right answer is option B, Indore and Udaipur. Yakten village has been declared India's first digital nomad village. In which state is it located? Right answer is option A, Sikkim. Which Indian NGO became the first to win the Ramon Magsaysay Award in 2025? Right answer is option B, Educate Girls. Which football club won the 134th Durand Cup in 2025? Right answer is option B, Northeast United Football Club. Who won the Miss Universe 2025 title held in Thailand? Right answer is option A, Fatima Bosch of Mexico. Who has been elected into the International Tennis Hall of Fame in the class of 2026? Right answer is option A, Roger Federer. Where was India's first national biobank launched in July 2025? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. Who was appointed as the 29th Controller General of Accounts of India? Right answer is option D, TCA Kalyani. Who was appointed as a Director General of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police in September 2025? Right answer is option B, Praveen Kumar. Who received the National Lata Mangeshkar Award for the year 2025? Right answer is option A, Sonu Nigam. Which state of India has become the first to be free from extreme poverty? Right answer is option A, Kerala. Which state Sonapur and Puri beaches have once again received the prestigious Blue Flag certification for the year 2025 to 26? Right answer is option B, Odisha. Which word has been named the word of the year 2025 by Cambridge Dictionary? Right answer is option B, parasocial. Which of the following states hosted Rising Global Summit 2025? Right answer is option A, Telangana. Who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize 2025? Right answer is option C, Maria Corina Machado. Which team won the Laureus World Team of the Year Award 2025 held in Madrid? Right answer is option C, Real Madrid. Which state government declared 2025 as the year of urban development? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Gogabil Lake, which was recently designated as 94th Ramsar Site of India, is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Bihar. Who was authored the book titled M.S. Swaminathan, The Man Who Fed India? Right answer is option B, Priyambada Jaykumar. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index released in October 2025? Right answer is option D, 85th rank. The World Food Prize 2025 has been given to Dr. Marinjela Hungria. She belongs to which country? Right answer is option D, Brazil. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Right answer is option D, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Guneri village has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of which state? Right answer is option B, Gujarat. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025 for mathematics? Right answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. Where has the first BIMSTEC traditional music festival been held? Right answer is option D, New Delhi. Who has been appointed as the chairman of National Stock Exchange? Right answer is option B, Srinivas Injeti. Where was the ninth edition of 2025 Global Technology Summit held? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Which institution has launched the first ever India Electric Mobility Index? Right answer is option C, Niti Aayog. In May 2025, India has overtaken which country to become the fourth largest economy in the world? Right answer is option C, Japan. Which country hosted the SCO Summit 2025? Right answer is option C, Tianjin, China. Where was the World Health Summit 2025 held in October 2025? Right answer is option C, Berlin, Germany. Which Indian state has been officially declared as country's first fully literate state? Right answer is option C, Mizoram. Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? Right answer is option C, Opal Suchata Chwangsri. What is India's rank in the Global Hunger Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 102nd rank. which has become the first state in India to implement translation system in the Legislative Assembly? Right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh, who was appointed as the new CEO of the International Cricket Council in July 2025. Right answer is option C, Sanjog Gupta. Recently, 14th edition of the bilateral exercise Equivarin began between India and which country? Right answer is option A, Maldives. Which Indian has been awarded the 2025 UNEP Young Champions of the Earth Award? Right answer is option D, Zinali Modi, who has won both the men's and women's titles in Kabaddi at the Asian Youth Games 2025. Right answer is option B, India. Where will India's first artificial intelligence special economic zone be set up? Right answer is option C, Nava Raipur, Chhattisgarh, who has been appointed as the first deputy managing director of IMF. Right answer is option C, Dan Kedge, which ISRO chief has been honored with the GP Birla Memorial Award in July 2025. Right answer is option B, V. Narayanan, who became the 11th Indian cricketer to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame. Right answer is option D, MS Dhoni, who won the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award for 2025. Right answer is option D, Inquise. Where will India's first private public partnership green waste processing plant be established? Right answer is option A, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, which is the 44th Indian site to be inscribed in the UNESCO World Heritage List. Right answer is option C, Maratha Military Landscapes. Which city topped the Smart City Index 2025 released by the International Institution for Management Development? Right answer is option A, Zurich, Switzerland, who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force in September 2025. Right answer is option B, Praveer Ranjan. The United Nations declared the year 2026 as the International Year of. Right answer is option C, Woman Farmer. Which airport has earned the title of India's first water positive airport? Right answer is option B, Indira Gandhi International Airport. In which state was India's first underground museum and artificial coral reef launched in June 2025? Right answer is option D, Maharashtra. According to the World Bank, what is the projected economic growth of India for financial year 2025 to 26? Right answer is option B, 6.3%. Which city will host the 11th Asian Aquatics Championships 2025? Right answer is option C, Ahmedabad, who has been awarded the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2025. Right answer is option C, Kumar Mangalam Birla. Which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan? Right answer is option A, Sri Lanka. Who has become the first Indian to win the title of Miss Globe International 2025? Right answer is option A, Anuradha Garg. Where was the World Tea Conference 2025 organized for the first time in India? Right answer is option B, Kochi, Kerala. Which institution topped the NIRF overall rankings for 2025? Right answer is option B, IIT Madras. Who became the first Indian to receive the highest civilian honor of Mauritius? Right answer is option A, Narendra Modi. Which state has topped the medal tally at the first edition of Khelo India Water Sports 2025? Right answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Where is headquarters of the National Turmeric Board established? Right answer is option C, Nizamabad. Who has been recently appointed as the first woman and African president of International Olympic Committee? Right answer is option A, Kirsty Coventry. India's first fully solar powered zoo will be established in which state? Right answer is option B, Karnataka. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.